In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to add a reminder on the following device. So first of all, you need to locate reminders, just mark it, click on continue, and you can either upgrade it now or later. I will do it later. And now all you need to do to create a new reminder is to tap on new reminder, and now you can add the title, so it can be, for example, some business meeting. And then here you can add notes. So for example, let me enter take, or maybe documents, details, whatever you need to remember, but let me leave it this way. Then you can create some details, so just click on details and you can select date and pick the date on which it should be active. Obviously you can turn it off as well, but I will set it for Friday. Then time, so it can be at 9 a.m. Then it can be repeated, never, daily, weekly, and so on. I will leave it never, it will be just a one-time stand. And then you can also add the location if you want to, so you can pick something or allow the current one. It's up to you, so I will not allow it right now. And also you can pick if you are getting there in and getting out on which hour. If you'd like to set some priority, you can do it right here, so it can be low, medium or high. And now if you will click on add, you will be able to find this reminder right here. As you can see, you've got the reminder right in front of you, and you will not forget about this event. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.